This is just a quick demonstration of the E-Dinar calculator. It's working out over 12 months what the growth, the compounding would be at 20%. In this box here, you type in the amount of dinars you purchased. So in this example, let's say you've purchased 100 dinars. And if you look at this top column here, this shows you the compounding effect of the 20% all the way up to 12 months. So here you've got 892 dinars, and this graph is a representation of that. Now that's pretty straightforward, everyone can do that. If that's 100 dinars, if you put 500 dinars, then obviously the figures go up correspondingly. So 500, 600, 720. After month 4 you've doubled what you've put in. Now really, you could say, okay, take out what you've put in, and then after that it's free, it's not costing you anything. But what happens when you introduce people? Let's go back to the 100 dinars because everyone can relate to that. So 100 dinars is about £70. Let's say you introduce 5 people, because that's like the minimum level requirement to earn commissions down all the levels. So if you were to introduce 5 people, you get 25% on their bonuses. So you're getting 25% on these figures here, and those are added to your bonuses, which are then also compounded. So now look, at the end of 12 months, you're looking at 3,000. And your 100 dinars becomes 380. So within month 2, you can get back out what you've put in. And after that, obviously, it's free money, whatever you've made. But if they introduce 5 people each, so you've got 25 people on the second level, you're getting 20% on their bonuses. And again, those are added to yours, and also the people on level 1 are also getting 25% on your people, on your level 2 people, and those are added to yours. So now look at the figures, this really do shoot up. And if we take it to level 3, and let's say these people introduce 5 each, so that's 125 on level 3. Your 100 dinars within the first month, you're looking at 6 times what you've put in. Month 4, it's 4,000. At the end of the year, you're looking at 70,000 dinars. And that's just starting at 100 dinars, or $100. Now I think most people could do that, because everybody's got, well, most people have got £70 to put in. And by starting small, you can watch it grow, because these compounding effects actually happen weekly, not monthly. Although we give it the monthly figure of 20%, it's actually done every week. So it works out even better. So at any stage, if you decide you want to increase the amount you want to put in, you can do. If everyone's putting in $500 and you've got 5 people, and this is just working down 3 levels. This plan pays down 7 levels, but I'm only showing 3 levels because it gets too silly. At the end of the year, you're looking at money that can pretty much pay off your mortgage and buy you another house if you want. And here it is shown on the graph. So this is very, very powerful. I just wanted to show you this calculator just to give you an idea of how it works and what the percentages are and what the potential is. But what's really interesting for me is the fact that at the lowest level, 100 dinars, and you're only bringing 555 just on 3 levels, you can get out whatever you've put in. So it doesn't actually have to cost you anything. Forget putting in 10,000, 20,000. Start slow, start small, and build it up and take out what you've put in, and then watch what happens. And the beauty of this is that you can take any of this money out at any time. You can convert it back into dollars. If you're after month 2, 3 and you suddenly decide you've had enough, you don't want it anymore, you can come out and exchange it back into dollars and cash out. So I hope you understand that. If you've got any questions, give me a call.